Lambden's had some very impressive times this weekend. I don't just mean the party times, I mean the time on the clock. Set to be a very exciting race. And Lambden is first down and off to the next forcible entry. Kingston not far behind at all.